welcome to your first Python lesson. This is just about everything you need to know about Python before you run off and start making your own codes. But after this, I will teach you a bunch, and in between every session, you will have to share. You will have to learn at least one new Python term, and then you will have to share it with me, so that the next lesson will change based on that. And so you do make a bunch of codes in between, but before you immediately run off and start coding, there's a lot we need to talk about. First, you have to open a link on your computer. I really like this app because it's free, and also you don't have to download it. It's just like a browser, and you don't even have to sign in. You just can do it. But of course, like normal things, it will only save your projects if you sign in and share your email address. You will not have to do that, but if you want, yes, you can make your own account. Just make sure you make it outside, after or before class. I am not welcoming messing with stuff and signing into random things while we are doing it. That's why your computer can only be open at certain situations. But now you should know this is one of the situations that you can. Here are some commands you have to put. But way before that, I will share something with you, a code that you will all put in that, so please don't see it or look at it yet. And after the code, you will share to me what you think about them. Anyways, the commands are print with parentheses. After parentheses, you put quotation marks to print a text. I only put parentheses for a reason, because of variables. And then there is dot lower with parentheses. It makes a string all lowercase. I will explain how to format that later. Dot capitalize and dot title work the same way, except in dot capitalize, it just capitalizes the first letter in your string, and dot title capitalizes the start of every word, like a title. You might have got confused with when I was always saying strings. So here is vocabulary. Strings are texts made of letters and words. Floats are numbers in standard form without a decimal point, and integers are numbers with decimal points. That is the end of our presentation. Bye!